Check out a target here. Right in there. Hope it's not that rock. So those are notorious for being hot rocks. There she is. Big spoon. Wow. Well, that will definitely go in the junk. Might be silver plated or something, I don't know. It's got a lot of green. So it might be sterling as well. Copper underneath, yeah. Alright, on to the next one. I got this heart-shaped rock. Either way, it looks like a heart. Pretty cool. Out. Bottle cap. Our first one today. Jack Daniels. Came out of target here. It's a little bit in the water. It's our first real target today. Did get some rocks. 27.31. Somewhere right in there. Let's see what we can find here. See what it is. It's out. Penny, looks like. Let's see. Oh, hold on. No, it's a dime. It's an American dime. A Rosie. 19. Oh, can I see it? Got my sunglasses on. Maybe you guys can see it on the camera. Let me see here. Something. I'll have to look at it more. I don't have my loupe with me, but we'll take a look at it, see if it's silver or not, if it's pre-64. Look at this beautiful specimen with some Dallasite. It's not the best. It's been beaten and eaten up a lot by the sea, but it could still possibly be tumbled, but it's still neat to find. It's still out here. Dallasite is all over Vancouver Island. Oh, that's a piece of metal or something right there. Wow, big belt buckle. Holy moly, American Eagle. It's beautiful. Look at this beautiful, beautiful agate. Just moving along, metal detecting. It was right on the top of the surface there. Just beautiful. All right, on for more finds. Right in there. It's out. There it is. Penny. Yeah, penny. Canadian penny.